Xinyuan C80MG4 series wheeled with clamping machine. Equipped with National Xinyuan F30 high-power engine. Maximum power 48 kilowatts. Maximum torque 216. Adopt high-efficiency electronically controlled hydraulic system. 3 operation modes are adjustable. The hydraulic system can operate at low engine speeds, still maintaining efficient output. Equipped with a hair dryer cooling system, able to keep the engine running stably. Adopt 20-inch plus size engineering tires. Standard 4-wheel hydraulic disc brake system. Responsive. Short braking distance. Safer 3.6 meters plus 2.1 meters plus long forearm. The maximum operating range can reach approximately 7 meters. Adopt a new family design language. Beauty meets practicality. More recognizable. 200-liter large-capacity fuel tank design. Longer battery life. Worry-free homework. The cover can be opened in a large area. Maintenance is more convenient. Equipped with a large-capacity toolbox, hand-washing water tank, butter rack, etc. Tools can be carried in the car. Large cab space. Large glass design. The horizon is wider. Driving operations are safer. The layout is ergonomic. Dual-track adjustable suspension seat with ventilation function. More comfortable riding. Equipped with side and tail dual-channel cameras. Configure a separate video display. Reduce blind spots in driving operations. Available for a variety of professional data devices. Suitable for different working conditions. Expand the scope of application. Improve work efficiency. High efficiency and energy savings. Reliable and comfortable. New generation C80MG4 series wheeled with clamping machine.